Welcome to the virtual public meeting for the proposed SH Race Median project. My name is Octavio Saenz. I'm the Public Information Officer for the Texas Department of Transportation, FAR District. I would like to welcome and thank you for taking the time to view this virtual presentation for the proposed improvement of SH4 or Boca Chica Boulevard from SH48 to FM 313 or Minnesota Avenue. Please note, you can pause this presentation at any point to allow more time to view the slides. Given the unique circumstance of the COVID-19 outbreak, along with our commitment to protecting public health during this national emergency, TxDOT is conducting this virtual public meeting to avoid in-person contact, if desired. TxDOT is also providing an in-person option for individuals who would like to participate in person instead of online. This presentation will cover the same information that will be shared at the in-person public meeting. The virtual public meeting is being held to receive and consider comments from the public regarding the SH4 Race Median project from SH48 to FM 313. The meeting will provide an overview of the proposed project, the project's need and purpose, the estimated project timeline, and an opportunity for the public to comment and provide input on the proposed improvements. The environmental review, consultation, and other actions required by applicable federal environmental laws for this project are being or have been carried out by TxDOT pursuant to 23 U.S.C. 327 and a Memorandum of Understanding dated December 9, 2019 and executed by FHWA and TxDOT. The project limits for the SH4 or Boca Chica Boulevard Race Median project are from SH48 to FM 313 or Minnesota Avenue. The project is about 2.2 miles long and is located within the city of Brownsville in Cameron County, Texas, north of the Brownsville-South Padre Island International Airport. This section of SH4 serves approximately 37,000 vehicles per day between SH48 and FM 2519 and 18,000 vehicles per day between FM 2519 and FM 313 or Minnesota Avenue. This traffic in the roadway's current configuration generate congestion which is estimated to be 143,000 hours of delay per year for drivers, which led to over $3.2 million in annual congestion costs in 2019. The existing roadway includes 2 travel lanes in each direction and an undivided roadway that allows for continuous left turns. There is no median nor barrier separating travel from the opposite direction. For pedestrians, sidewalks are discontinuous in the corridor. The Texas A&M Transportation Institute completed a detailed safety evaluation of this section of SH4 in early 2020. The study found that between 2010 and 2018, 531 crashes happened along the alignment, resulting in 13 serious and 3 fatal accidents. Centerline crashes or crashes that cross the center of the roadway accounted for 19.4% of accidents. The study recommended the installation of a continuous race median as a crash countermeasure to minimize conflict points or opportunities for a crash to occur at non-intersection locations. The video shown here contains examples of near misses along the SH4 corridor. Throughout this video, there are multiple instances where drivers turning left out of adjacent driveways interfere with the through traffic lane. The two-way left turn lane further complicates the situation, causing an unpredictable travel behavior which results in near-miss collisions. A raised median would minimize the potential for crashes as well as near-miss crashes. As mentioned in the previous slide, crashes that cross the center line of the roadway accounted for 90.4% of accidents in the corridor between 2010 and 2018. The SH4 Race Median project is needed to reduce severe and fatality crashes and address discontinuous pedestrian accommodations. The purpose of the SH4 Race Median project proposes to improve safety by installing a concrete race median, improve safety by consolidating left turn movements, and to improve continuous sidewalks for pedestrian connectivity. The proposed typical section for SH4 resurfaces the existing 2 vehicle travel lanes in each direction, constructs a raised concrete median with directional median openings, and provides continuous sidewalks. No additional right-of-way is currently planned. The illustration shown highlights these proposed improvements. The addition of directional median openings enhances safety by limiting the number and type of conflict points or opportunities for a crash to occur. Directional median openings provide left turn movements and restrict left turns from crossing streets or driveways. The moving image on this slide shows where median openings and signalized intersections are being planned in the corridor. Directional median openings will allow for left turns while limiting conflict points with opposing traffic. As you can see from the illustration, all major streets have been provided an opportunity to turn left from SH4. Please feel free to pause this presentation at any time to take more time to view the slides. The SH4 project also proposes to add continuous sidewalks in the corridor to provide additional connectivity for pedestrians. Through this public meeting, we're requesting input from the public regarding the proposed design for this project. We will review your comments and continue to refine the proposed design and conduct additional environmental studies. Throughout this process, public input will be taken into consideration. Construction is expected to begin in fall 2022 and last approximately 12 to 18 months. The construction cost for this project is anticipated to be approximately $5.3 million. The public comment period for this public meeting ends on October 8, 2021. Comments will be accepted in 4 ways, which are outlined here. Comments can be submitted online through the TxDOT.gov public meeting webpage using the keyword search at the top right. The keyword for the SH4 project is SH4 public meeting. Comments can be provided on an interactive map, which is available on the public meeting webpage. Comments can also be emailed to sh4@hdrinc.com or mailed to TxDOT FAR District, attention Samantha Lozano, 600 West Interstate 2, FAR, Texas 78577. To be included in the project record, comments must be received or postmarked by Friday, October 8, 2021. If you need assistance regarding the commenting process, please contact Samantha Lozano, TxDOT Project Manager at 956-702-6334 or samantha.lozano@txdot.gov. All comments will be fully considered and responded to in the project record. This document will then be made available for public review at txdot.gov. We sincerely appreciate your participation and interest concerning the SH4 Raised Median project. Your questions, comments, and concerns will receive careful consideration. Thank you. This concludes this presentation.